Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. And no, I've not lost my mind. It's Christmas in July. Have you all figured out what I mean by who's Neil? I'll let you guess in the comments below, and then I will reply to your comments to let you know if you're right or not. I'm not going to tell you in this video. So the reason I have my Christmas trees out and I'm decorated and all decked out in Christmas is because I'm starting a make along for Christmas in July. And if you would like to do this, we are going to work on our projects from now. Well, in a couple of weeks, we'll get started, and you'll have all the way through till about mid-December to finish your project. I hope lots of you will join in and do this with me because it's going to be so much fun. So, what we're going to do is we are going to make ugly Christmas sweaters. All right? And it's up to you. You can make a wearable, full-sized adult sweater. You could make a child-sized sweater. You could even make a miniature ugly sweater if you don't think you have a lot of time. You could even make a miniature ugly sweater Christmas ornament to put on your Christmas tree. It is totally up to you. But here's a little twist that I want to introduce and see if you'd like to be involved doing it this way. You need to shoot me an email. So here's what I want to do. I think it would be fun as we do this ugly sweater contest, or it's not really a contest. We're not going to do prizes. I just think it would be fun to see what you come up with. But what I would love to do is have a yarn swap. And so I've written down some rules here. Let me look at the notes because I don't want to leave anything out. If you want to be part of the yarn swap to make your ugly Christmas sweater, here's what you have to do. You have to commit, and what I'm going to do is you're going to send me an email with what I ask you to put in the email, and then you'll have until, let me see, what did I write down? You will have until let's see, the 23rd of this month. So I'm giving 2 weeks for you guys to email me. That's plenty of time. So your email has to get to me by the 23rd if you want to be in the yarn swap part of this ugly Christmas sweater. What you have to commit to if you decide to be a part of the yarn swap is you have to send someone 3 skeins of yarn. The skeins cannot be the same color. They have to be 3 different colors. All right? And then you can also send them, not only are you sending them 3 skeins of yarn, but you can also send them, what do I want to call them? Oh my goodness, I just drew a blank on the word. You can send them different art supplies, like to decorate the shirt. It could be little pom-poms. You guys help me in the comments with what word I'm trying to look for because I can't even. Embellishments. There you go. It finally hit me. You're going to send 3 different colors of yarn. And if you want to include embellishments like pom-poms, little charms, little buttons, be creative. Whatever that the person could put on their sweater to decorate it, send that with the 3 skeins of yarn. If when you receive your yarn swap from the person that I assign to you, you have to use everything they send you. Now, if what they send you isn't enough to complete your project, then you can add in from your own stash. Okay? But you have to use what the person sent you. Okay? So if you want to participate in the yarn swap to make your sweater, then I need you to send me an email. My email will be in the description box, and you are going to send me an email and let me know that you want to be a part of the yarn swap. If you would like for your person to send you a specific weight of yarn for your project, put that specific weight of yarn in there. Um, and also let me know if you have any fiber allergies, like if you are allergic to wool or whatever, so I can let that person know that. And yeah, you can, and like I said, you can send, you're going to send 3 skeins of yarn to your person, different colors, and any embellishments. Like my hat here has little pom-poms. You can send pom-poms, pieces of felt that they would have to cut out and use, ornament, little tiny miniature ornaments would be funny. Whatever you want to send with your 3 pieces of yarn to your person for embellishments. And again, if you commit to this, you can't drop out. You cannot. Once you commit, you have to stay committed, because especially if you're doing the swap, the yarn swap, because then you're putting your person in a place where they don't have materials to do their project, okay? That you committed to swapping with. So you have to commit to this and stay committed. Now, if you're not part of the yarn swap, and you don't want to swap yarn and you just want to do your own thing, that's perfectly fine. You can create your own ugly sweater project with what you have. And like I said, it can be a full size sweater, child size sweater. Maybe if you have a little fur baby, you might want to make an ugly Christmas sweater for your fur baby. It could be an ornament for the Christmas tree. Okay. But it has to be an ugly sweater. I think this is going to be so much fun, and I cannot wait to see what everybody makes. So between now and the 23rd of this month, you need to be sending me an email if you want to be a part of the yarn swap and exchange yarn with someone. Once I get all of those emails by the 23rd, then I'm going to pair 2 people up. All right. And I will then be sending out emails letting you know who your person is. And oh, in the email, I need your mailing address so I can let that person know where to send your little box of goodies. All right. So you need to tell me that you want to be a part of the swap. You need to tell me if you prefer a certain weight of yarn. If you don't have to, you can just be surprised with what they send you. And your mailing address, and then let me know if you have any allergies like wool or anything like that, so they don't send you anything that you're allergic to. Okay, so I'm going to have this all in the description box so you can go back and read it if you need to. But by the 23rd of this month, when I get on the 23rd, I'm going to cut off receiving emails. I will pair everybody up with someone. I will send you an email to let you know who your person is and where to send your little box of goodies to. And then once you get your box of goodies, if you're part of the swap, you can get started on making your sweater. Now, and the rest of you, if you're not in the yarn swap, you can get started anytime. But what we're going to do is, I still need to figure out, I still need to figure out when in December that I need you to have your pictures submitted by. Because I think what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to create a slideshow in December with everybody's pictures that participated in the yarn swap. And then everybody can tune in and see the completed, I'm losing words today. Oh my goodness. The completed, I just said the word and now it's gone, y'all. So I'm going to put together a slideshow. Goodness, I better write that word down or I'm going to forget it again. Slideshow. Um, I am going to put together a slideshow of everyone's pictures that were sent to me for their ugly sweater contest. If you send me a picture, make sure you put, if you want me to include your name, the name that you want me to use with your picture. Okay. I'm looking at possibly maybe the 10th, which is a Thursday, the 10th of December and then having the slideshow out by Monday, the 14th of December. Okay, that's kind of where I'm looking. Um, and that will give me time. If I do it on the 10th, that'll give me 4 days to get the 3 days to get the slideshow ready and posted, so it'll go up on Monday the 14th. So I would love to know in the comments below who's going to participate. I want you to also tell me the answer to who's Neil that's on the thumbnail. Let me know if you know what that's a reference to. Let me know if you're going to be individual. Let me know if you're going to join in on the yarn swap. I'm going to be part of the yarn swap, so I will be swapping yarn with someone too. And so just send me those emails. Get those emails sent to me again by the 23rd, and let me know if you want to be a part of the yarn swap. Let me know if you have any allergies to any kind of fibers, and your mailing address where your person can send your box to. So, yay! This is it. Christmas in July, ugly sweater contest. I cannot wait to get this started, and I hope you're excited, and I hope there's lots of you that are going to join in on this. So I will talk to you later. Let me know in the comments and send me those emails, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.